Okay. Today we are going to work on the homework, which is the refactoring code for the bug fix. So far we have already set up the environment, and then we are going to work on the part 1. Okay. So how do we start?
Yeah, so according to the instruction, let's first see what's happening.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Here's the link. Can I click it?
Yeah, I click it. Okay.
And proceed to the admin.
Okay.
We
need to
the username is admin.
Yeah. And what about the
password? Uppercase X.
I think you can type it in the Cloud9. We can use the collaborate and then use the group chat, so it will be easy.
Okay. Type? Oh, okay.
Collaborate and enter the message at the end. Okay.
Okay, so the problem it says that when you click the categories, yeah, it has some problem.
Oh yes. Yep.
So
it says we need to fix it, right?
Yeah, we need to fix this.
Okay.
So according to the instruction, yeah, we can see the fixing of admin title.
Okay.
Here is the what is intended to be if we click the categories.
Okay. Let me check the.
Yeah, you can. It's not the same.
It's not the same?
Yeah.
Could you give me the link? Still in the group chat. All right. Okay.
So this is what it's intended to be, and now it doesn't show up.
Yeah, it doesn't show up. So, so if we follow the TDD plus BDD, do we need to have the RSpec first, or?
No, I think we should use Cucumber first because.
Okay.
Yeah.
It says
when you see the bottom, it says first line.
It says start by checking that all the existing RSpec and Cucumber tests run. So does it mean we need to run them first?
Yeah, I can run that.
Oh yeah. Okay, everything is good.
It's very slow.
Yeah, very, very slow. I think there's too many files to run. Okay, what is this problem? So not validating feed because no validator.
It's fine.
That's fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
So that's all for.
But there's 9 pending.
Yeah, because you can ignore the pending. It says you can ignore the pending. So it's fine.
Okay.
So now we don't see any problem about this tool. And start by checking. Just fix this bug by writing cucumber tests that fail when this bug is present, and then our spec unit test. So I think we should write cucumber first.
Okay.
It's
So it will be pretty easy to, we can create a new file. What should be the name?
Create categories.
Okay, create categories dot feature. Okay. And then I think we can copy something from the other features, like the
I think it's
as a
create or let's see which one is similar.
I think create blog, right? Because I'm not sure. I think there are just 2 features. So
I think it should be right.
Okay, right
because
article.
it has many things to fill in.
All right.
So just copy.
Yeah, I copy it.
Articles.
So create categories, and as a blog administrator, in order to okay, just skip the second line and go to the third line. I want to be able to add oh.
Yes.
Okay.
So
I think I can add categories to my blog, and the background is given the blog is set up and I'm logged into the admin panel, right?
Yeah. So we are currently in the admin.
Yeah.
The main page.
And then we just have one scenario, right?
Yeah.
So the scenario will successfully create categories. And then, okay, so what should we do next? I think we should, I can check the step.
Yeah, I am on the new article page.
Okay.
Grace.
Yeah, category page. Categories page. And then, yeah, then I think we can reference the image on the description instruction, right? Because it shows the correct page. So we should fill in the name, keyword, permalink, and the description. So when I fill in,
It's gray or gray?
I think it will be gray category. I think we can have a check. So it will be in model, and it will be in view, and admin. Yeah, category and underscore. Then I think it will be name and you can work on the third one, and I will work on the fourth one. So the first one will be description, permalink, and I think we can just give it some arbitrary words. Right.
And I press
Save.
Then I should see.
Do we need to? Is it true that when I should be on the admin content page?
I don't know. I will just ignore this.
Okay.
Then I should. So since we cannot do this, yeah. So how?
I think we can just stop at here because at first we can test if this is good or not, right? We can make it work first, and then we can see what's happening next.
Okay. So
Or we can I think we can go to the category page, and then link to this is new category. I think there will be some submission button, and I just want to see where it submits the.
So when we click save, where
Yeah, where it go? Yeah.
I think maybe there's a page and a link. It should be view.
Yeah, it should be in view and admin category. I'm not sure which category, which folder, but at least it is in admin, I think. Um,
Direct to edit with the home tab.
I think it means that we should use the edit controller, probably. Okay, we'll go to edit.
I always had to be. It's like something hug you once my whole entire life.
I think we should go to the still go to the admin content page. I think that's correct because you can see that it will use the edit, right?
Yes.
And then in a category controller, after I save the category, it will be redirect to new. And I think it will be, the admin content page.
Okay.
So I think we, I think we can just copy it and then here, then I should see full bar. Then I should see, okay, I think this is good for one cucumber test, which is successfully create a category.
I should see.
Right?
See full bar.
Yeah, and then I click the full bar, and then I should see the keywords. But so far we haven't. Oh, okay. So probably we don't need to click the link because you can see this picture. It will show the title, description, permalink, and the keywords. So as long as we have these things, we can directly see it.
Oh yeah. So we should.
So we should not. We don't need to follow the full bar, which means I should see full bar. I can see this name. Then I should this one, and then I should see right. So it will show everything about this category.
So do we need to delete? Then I should be on the admin content page.
Okay, so probably we don't need to do that.
I think when you create, it will directly show.
Yeah.
Show on the right.
Yeah. So I think delete it, and I think it is good for one scenario, right?
Yes.
And okay, so what should we do next?
Let's run first.
Okay, run it first. Cucumber feature. Create category. Okay, obviously we will get some error message.
Can find mapping
from the new category page to a path. Okay, so did we define this new category page?
Yeah, let's see in the path.rb file.
Okay, path.rb.
Yeah.
And okay.
I think we should add.
Yeah, add something just like the new article page. So I copy and paste it. The new category page.
Yeah.
Category this page. And then it will be admin. It will not be content, right? I think it will be category of categories. Okay, categories. And new.
Probably.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Then we can. Oh, wait a second. Do we need to have the RSpec test?
What is that?
I mean the RSpec test. RSpec.
Let's do this first.
Okay, let's do this first. Okay, to pass. Let me go to the category controller.
28.
Yeah, line 28. This is so I think in this case we need our RSpec test to test the controller, right? To test it first, and then we can keep going, right?
28.
So it wouldn't be linear if there was too much. Yeah, and because we didn't have that much, it always worked well. It's still working well, yeah.
In your edit.
I think that one was open. I don't know if it is.
Okay, how can we define our RSpec test?
What kind of graph is it? It was this is amount of product, and then but you can see from what.
Let me see.
Our subject is never in the best in comparison.
Maybe we change the file.
Is it in
I
the
think in the
controller?
categories, it's in the spec.
Yeah, spec controller, admin, and the category controller, right?
Yeah. Yes, I think we should do it in here.
Mm-hmm.
Describe.
I mean, as we went from Q1 with the Jova, it's always new because it's very.
So I'm not good at writing the RSpec.
So let's see what we can use
Okay.
on the existing.
Mm-hmm.
So we are basically doing editing. So it should be similar to test edit.
Okay.
In my opinion.
Does create the similar to the edit?
Yeah, because you are basically filling.
Yeah, filling the text and save it, and then
yeah.
Okay, so we can copy this part, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Get. edit. Probably container. So I think this part should be changed.
Okay.
It should render template view. It should.
Source of error, yeah, agent. Source of error, agent type. That must be why we take so long. Everyone needs them.
Okay, so
I don't think rather there are a lot of
I think we can just give it some arbitrary name, like just A, B, C, D, like that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, if you want to use the if you want to use it same as the cucumber test, that's fine. Do we need to use the just four attributes, like the name, permanent?
I think so.
later, because I want to, first I want to work on it, so I want to put everything kind of together, iron everything. So if you want to like, okay, let's write it ourselves, then you can just discuss kind of anything that you want to talk about. Oh, what did you put for this time?
Right. I think it's good, right?
Mm.
You want to do that today? I'll probably be working on when you're done today.
I think we can copy it past this part. Category was successfully saved. So, is it?
Yeah.
So is it all for this controller RSpec test?
I think so.
Okay, then we can try to run RSpec first. So it would be RSpec and spec controller admin and category.
I'll let you know what that is, and get back to you what that final calculation is.
What is it saying?
Let me just check some other. I'm not sure. Probably we should check the factory. Okay, let me just check it. Factory. I cannot see the factory block. Okay.
It's like this one.
You're in the RSpec again? All right.
Let's see.
Okay, what is the problem?
You couldn't find category without an ID.
You already get the error message?
Yeah. You can scroll up.
Uh-huh.
I think they all point to the categories controller RB.28.
Okay, I think, yeah. Category. Line 28, right?
This I cannot find. Admin categories. Admin editing controllers. Categories, controller.
So how to fix this line? Do you have any ideas?
Probably. That couldn't find category without an ID, so it means that we currently don't have ID.
Okay.
So we probably need to handle that situation.
Mm,
Because
all right.
in
So
this one, it's default.
yeah, it says
ID,
we should
so-
have some parameter which is called ID.
So basically, I think we should check whether this ID is it has this
okay.
ID or not.
All right.
So I think we can if it has ID, we just use it.
Mhm.
Not this one. And if it has ID, and if it doesn't, we just create it.
Okay, create a new one.
Yeah.
All right. Do you think it is good?
Let's try.
Okay, let's try the RSpec test first. Okay. Does it mean it is good, right?
Yes.
And then we can go to the cucumber test.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, everything is passed.
Yeah.
So does it mean we have already finished it?
Probably.
I think it will be pretty fast, right?
Yeah. But do we need to retract the page, the web page, to see?
Sure. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Go to the category and yes.
Fill something.
Yeah. Fill something like the name is. I just use some arbitrary. So and then save it. Then I should see it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think this, you can see the instruction. It says, okay, write a sufficient test using the BED TDD cycle method such that ultimately the admin user can successfully editing the existing categories and create new categories. So we have already finished the create new category. Do we still need to write a cucumber test that edits the existing category?
Yeah, sure. I think it will be fast.
Yeah, I think it will be fast because they're similar,
Yeah.
right?
Okay, yeah.
Not this one.
That should be filling.
Wait a second. So I think we can just do something after the create, right? Because in this case, I have already create a category, and then I can follow the link edit.
Yes.
To to modify it. A is the name, so we can just follow the full bar. And then when I fill in the name with full bar, like 1 and keyword, I just add 1 at the end. And then I press save, so I should see full bar 1. Yeah, I think. Okay, yeah, it is good. So I think probably that's it for the for this homework, right? Because we just need to fix this bug.
Yes. So I think we're basically done.
Is there anything else? No. Okay. Wait a second. I just change the name because it is not only create the category. I can say create, edit categories, and then successfully create and edit categories. I think that's it. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I think we can push it to Heroku.
No. So
I think we should
here's some instruction.
We should use git add and add everything to the current master branch, and then git commit like am and just commit everything, right? And then we can
Create.
Yeah, hero create. Yeah.
So I will delete.
Mm.
Which one should I delete? I don't know. This. Next time is git push hero
Git push hero master.
Start.
All right.
Yeah, you can think this is I think.
Okay. So create a block. I just
So is this
what?
okay? We need to create here, or maybe it's existing. I think we should create.
Yeah, I also think we should
just create one.
create one, and we have the password.
Yeah, notice down. We need to.
Yeah, I copy it and proceed as admin. All right. So I think categories. All right.
Okay, so
and then we can do some testing like A, B, C, D, and save it. Yeah, it appears, and then I click it and to modify the description to E. So the description will be E, right? And the category was successfully saved. I think everything is good, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, I will stop the broadcast.